Heading to the NappyBoy event. Let's play some tunes. About to start our trek all the way up to Dawsonville for the NappyBoy event. But I gotta make a pit stop at Walmart real quick to grab some food. Grab some electrolyte drinks for the day because it is going to be a hot one. Cladded in my Drizmo racing shirt. NappyBoy drift event, AMP, here shooting with Andrew. We're getting things started. You got to see a little bit before it actually started. But we're going to be here having a good time. Like I said, I'm shooting with Andrew with NappyBoy. July 4th, happy Independence Day. Let's have a good time. Let's go say hey to Andrew. Andrew, you want to shout out your channel here with the vlog?
Yeah, check out Andrew Drizmo on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all of it.
Everything. Even MySpace.
Even MySpace, yeah.
Oh, what the fuck? That's badass. After getting my shots in the paddock and on that pavilion, I, along with Kurt from NappyBoy Automotive, made our way out to the grid. We are on track. The name of the game today is hydration, hydration, hydration. So, staying hydrated. We had to get special access to this part of the track. We're about to get some bangers. So let's see what it looks like. How do I get this shot with a shutter speed of 1/15 when the sun's the harshest and it does not look blown out? Simple. I did not use this. This is just the only video that I had. A kit 18 to 55 millimeter lens with an ND2 to 400 filter. At the max level, it can block out to 9 stops of light, and it lets you really push the limits of your camera when the sun is at its hardest. Then got to see some of the behind the scenes on some social media content being made for the NappyBoy Automotive, as this item was a bundle release in Fortnite and in Rocket League, so they were doing some stuff to promote it, as well as T-Pain's NappyBoy drinks. Then after that, the man himself arrived, T-Pain, in his gorgeous Koenigsegg Regera. It is absolutely a piece of art.
Awesome. How are you guys? I love your outfit. Thank you.
Later on in the evening, Andrew had a different sound coming out of the car. It did not sound as punchy as it normally does. And it stems back to this morning when he was opening up flaps within his exhaust. And apparently they closed and they could not be back open. So it sounded different. But I believe it is all fixed now at the time of this video. I then went back out to the grid, and T-Pain ripped the entire front end off of his Mustang RTR just due to the elevation of the track.
got mangled up. Hurt one kick, that's all I heard.
So, bad news is we have a car on fire on track. We don't know the extent of the fire. But that's really been the whole hiccup the whole day is that. So Hunter back here, I don't know if you can see him, moving very slow. He's gonna pick up the media guys, see if they can move, and they're gonna go somewhere else. Up here by the condos. Very nice. And then we're on grid. Grid's right here, this is where they start. So very, very fun day. It's hot though. I've done like 2 Gatorades, so I'm been sweating. Wow, what an event. What an absolutely insane event. That was crazy. I had to stop. As you can see, I am glowing. I'm absolutely glowing. I'm cooked. I'm about to turn on the AC. It's hot. That was insane. I had to stop recording because my phone was getting so hot that it actually shut off. I had to charge it and it shut off. But yeah, dude, what a fucking event, bro. Shout out Hurt. Shout out Hunter. Shout out all the NappyBoy media people. And most importantly, shout out Andrew. I appreciate him. Literally, dude. Like, some of y'all don't know, but like when I had like 100 followers or whatever, he was one of the first people to buy my photos. And always just a super genuine dude. So shout out Andrew, bro. I'm gonna tag his page again. Go support him. Go hang out with him. Very good dude. Very good content creator. Drifting is his passion, and you can see it every day. So thank y'all so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to me, Andrew, NappyBoy, NappyBoy Automotive, Hurt, T-Pain. I mean, go follow all those guys. They were the ones that put this amazing event on. Thank y'all so much for watching and all the support you give me. All right, later.